Hello everyone, my name is Mrinalini Mad and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be telling you about one of the significant parts of the Chamba metal craft, which is the Chamba Thaal. Chamba Thaal is made from brass plates and they are traditionally embossed with images of gods and goddesses. These thals are handmade and it takes a lot of effort and hard work to make them. Before the chiseling, the artisans first make a sketch of the deity on a paper, which is pasted on a metal sheet. They then chisel these images onto the metal plate. There are two types of thals that are prevalent in the metal craft traditions of Chamba. The first one is the Ganesh Thal. In this thal, a four-handed image of Sri Ganesh is shown at the center, and it is decorated with conch, bangles, crown, garland, etc. And the second one is the Vishnu Thal. In this plate, the central image is of Lord Vishnu and he is seated on a lotus and is surrounded by other incarnations. Besides these, there are also other images that are drawn on the thal. And artists have also started preparing varieties of thals in different shapes, and colored thals are also available now. These decorative Chamba thals with images of gods and goddesses are used in rituals such as offerings in pujas at temples, marriages or such other occasions. During marriages, they are offered to the groom from the bride's family and it is decorated with dry fruits. Chamba Thaal was not made in the historical times. It is a modern addition to the list of art and crafts of Chamba. Chamba administration is aiming to get a geographical indication, that is the GI tag, to Chamba Thaal. It will help in providing the artisans with better market prospects. Chamba Thaal is a unique metal craft and deserves the recognition that will help in its growth. And recently, Chamba Thaal did gain popularity when Union Minister of Youth Services and Sports, Mr. Anurag Thakur, presented it to the Tokyo Olympics medal winners. And also when Chief Minister Mr. Jairam Thakur presented the Chamba Thaal to Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi during his visit to Himachal Pradesh. So that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to press the like button and share this video, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button if you want to watch more such videos on Chamba. Goodbye and thank you.